Howdy ladies and gentlemen, today's video will be covering the legacy of Sundiata of Africa. Please, enjoy. Sundiata Keita was a West African monarch who founded the Western Sudanese Empire of Mali. During his reign he established the territorial base of the empire and laid the foundations for its future prosperity and political unity. But let's back up a little bit. Sundiata was a prince of an indigenous Mali ethnic group, and his name, appropriately enough, means Lion Prince or Hungering Lion, with the lion being the symbol of the Keita clan, which was his family name. Born into the royal family in 1210 CE, Sundiata had an immediate disadvantage in that he could not walk, and it was for this reason that an enemy of his father had spared his life when all of his brothers and sisters were murdered. He was exiled to the kingdom of Mema while a relative took over as ruler of the Malinke. However, Sundiata was later persuaded to return home to help liberate his people from oppressive foreign rule. Sundiata succeeded in doing so and formed a powerful alliance of other disgruntled chiefs tired of the usurper's harsh rule, and more importantly, he was given invaluable help from his sister, Nana. Wait, hold on a second. A descendant to the throne is cast out by a sinister relative after their father is killed and is persuaded to come back by a female family member and eventually rights all the wrongs? I guess we know where Disney drew their inspiration from. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and as always, make sure to subscribe for more fascinating factoids. Oh, and before the video ends, we are currently at 87 subscribers. We're so close to reaching 100, and I hope to reach that by Christmas. So if you could help me out, that would be much appreciated. Thank you.